Customized automation. Now, what exactly do we mean by that? Some people get the idea that every component is designed from the ground up. That would be cool, be very expensive, and not the best way to do things. What we customize is the arrangement of the components, how they interact with each other, the motions, the range of motions, the speed, the power. We'll buy a pneumatic cylinder from a reputable source. We'll buy a servo from a reputable source. We even buy our PLCs from reputable sources, and we put them all together and we customize the configuration of all those components so that the system we build fits your process. Now, normally what you end up doing is you go out and you buy your conveyor, your forklift, your whatever it is, and you're buying a system that you have to now configure your process to fit. A one size fits none, because these companies are putting out things in bulk, one design, a million copies. Works great when you have a toaster. We've all had toasters and we went to put the bread in and the bread didn't fit. Kind of the same thing. One size fits none. It works generally for a lot of people. Doesn't work great for any one person. And that's the same with equipment. You can buy a generic conveyor. Your boxes, etc., might fit. They might be too big, might be too small, it might move too slow, etc., etc., etc. So what we will do is look at your process and configure the system to fit your process instead of giving you a one size fits none that you have to configure your process to fit. Now, when we customize that configuration, you now get a system that is tuned to you and will do the things you wanted to do, what you needed to do, how you need it done, at the rate you need it done. So think customization of the configuration of the components to make a system that's configured to your process.